think I switched on slightly too late, so slight change in geography. Just came up a little hill, well, call it a hill, a little bump, like this one ahead. A little bit of a bend in the road and up, and then you'll see over the top of this one there's another one there, little undulations. Easily clicking along 120 k's. It's I don't know how many times I'll say this, but you know, once you start going, you're going 100, 110. It doesn't feel like you want to bang the accelerator to get it to 120, but it's like it kind of finds its way up there, you know. And also, I think your brain and your body also are adjusting to the speed. So at 120 now it feels okay, that's quite standard, comfortable, normal. Doesn't feel like you're going that fast even.